Yes, hello guys. We are here now at Sabang Sulphur Hot Spring, located at Balot Island, Surigao, Davao Occidental. Naku, napakaganda talaga guys. No? Ang init niya kasi guys, umaabot ng 80 degrees Celsius. Napaka-mainit talaga. So, ang Balot Island guys is one of the volcano, no? So, potentially active siya sa ngayon. So, hindi lang siya pumutok guys kasi syempre may singaw po siya. May singaw yung vulkan, no? Unlike the other volcano na walang singaw. Napakaganda guys. Oh, musok pa. Wow, amazing. Look, seems like a swimming pool guys, no? Yan. And at the back, that's the municipality of Jose Abad Santos, Davao Occidental. Yes, Region 11. No? Anyway, ang Sarangani guys is iba pa sa Sarangani province. Sa Sarangani, dun sa kanila kasi, sa Region 12 is Sarangani nila is province. Pero sa amin kasi dito is Sarangani municipality. Naka-form is a man-made, no? Gawa talaga ng kauna-unahang tao dito sa Ballistic Island. I don't know bakit siya tinawag na ballistic kasi sa pagkakaalam ko kasi this is not a ballistic island but this is the Marurong